In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim Safari Bag warranty. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and here it says warranty policy. Now, click on warranty policy, and in here, read through the policy over here so we can actually understand how this all works. And then when you keep scrolling under to claim warranty, it's going to say click here to register your warranty claim. So simply click on this click here link, which is a link. It's going to take you over here. You want to continue to the destination if it says that, and it's going to take you over here to their customer experience, a digital warranty journey login. So simply select the country you're from. I'm going to just type in UK over here like that. I'm going to click on here where it says email ID. This is where you basically have to type in your email. So just type it in, press get OTP, and then wait for for your email. You will get like a code onto your email. So I already received it over here. Let me see what the code is. There we go. I'm just going to type it in. Okay, and when you do that, you want to click on the submit button, and it's going to take you into a separate page after it says verified, and here you have the claim service, and it says one claim for one product. Okay, here you have to type in your full name, your mobile number, and then your email ID. When you do that, you want to go to the customer communication and then the product info, and whenever you fill all that in, you'll be able to basically claim your warranty from this service over here. It's pretty self-explanatory how you do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.